our planet. Hello friends, let's have some fun, and count from number 1. 1 2 3 4 Counting is so much fun. Now let's count the animals here in Powpow. 1 big cow. 1 2 running sheep. 1 2 3 green frogs. 1 2 3 4 eating hen. 1 2 3 4 5 crawling ants. 1 2 3 4 5 6 cute grasshopper. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 little ducks. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 beautiful butterflies. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 flying birds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 swimming fish.